Welcome to the Silvercoast, home of the simple life. Nestled just an hour away from Lisbon, this is the real Portugal. Immerse yourself in traditional Portuguese villages. Savour the freshest local flavours. And be a local. Where the sea meets the sky. And nature reigns supreme. Stroll along the cobblestone streets. Discover the serene beauty of the countryside. And a connection to the sea that is centuries old. The Silvercoast embraces you with its warm-hearted locals, authenticity, and cherished traditions. This could be your simple life. Welcome to the Silvercoast. Welcome home.